guys, I have made my decision of quitting Roblox or not. I will not be quitting Roblox because I want to spend some time with my friend Kitty Cat May. She is saying that she won't be able to play when I'm 10 because she's probably going to be doing something else, but not Roblox. Save it. So now I'm going to add you and Kitty, Biogen and Kitty. I hope you guys are happy that I'm not quitting. I lost too many accounts. Let's look at my old profile. We're gonna find Kitty. What? I didn't want to lose you, Kitty and Jan. But I don't know what to do. I keep losing my accounts because I'm being dumb. But anyway, goodbye. I hope you're happy I'm not quitting. Bye, Jen.